Smells like some herb. Not that kind of herb. So a little snack. And we all know Glam Glow ain't cheap, so. Probably my favorite thing right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, so you know we have to talk makeup, beauty, skincare, all that good stuff. And today, as you can see, I have a special guest. Now, you know I gotta keep you guys up to date on the new trends and what's hot in these streets. And FabFitFun, these boxes, have been going around the internet for weeks now. You've seen some of your favorite celebrities posting about it, a lot of ads. So I had to see what's up with this, what's really good, and if it's all it's cracked up to be. And naturally, as always, I'm gonna share the tea with you guys. Just a disclaimer, I bought this box myself. I spent Coco's coin on this, but they can hit me up if they want to, you know what I'm saying? And of course, I have a few codes for you guys, so make sure you check out the description box below. And if you haven't joined the family, you're a little late. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. And of course, don't forget to tap that bell because we don't want you to be late to the party, okay? Now, if you're wondering what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription service. It's specifically curated by their team members based on your particular interests. To become a FabFitFun member, you sign up on their website and complete a survey. The boxes are delivered every season, and you can pay seasonally $49.99, or you can pay annually $179.99 for these boxes. Either way, every season you'll receive a box full of beauty, fashion, wellness, and fitness goods handpicked by their team. Boxes are shipped out in March, June, September, and December, but becoming an annual member will make you a select member, which gives you access to early shipping and the ability to customize your box. As a member, you'll also have access to FabFitFun TV, which is kind of like their network that works with different brands and influencers on topics related to personal growth. And of course, each season you'll also have the opportunity to add things onto your box, so they have different products still in the beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness realm, but things that are not included in the box at a discounted rate that you can add. And of course, as previously mentioned, I will have some codes or some special links for you guys in the description box below. As always, if it's an affiliate link, I will include a disclaimer, so make sure you just pay attention to the box. Enough talking! Let's get into the box. So in my fall 2018 FabFitFun box, I have quite a lot of stuff. Now, this box is $49.99, but it's supposed to contain $200+ worth of product. So, the first thing that I see when I open it up is this Luna Rica bar. This is the salted caramel nut flavor, and it does say it's USDA organic, and it is cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. So a little snack. Next, I have Simply Whimsical homemade pretty towel. So it looks like this is a double 2 sets of towels. Yeah, these are 2 towels. And I guess these could be dish towels, these could be makeup towels. Yeah, they feel kind of like dish towels though. And again, these are by Simply Whimsical, so 2 towels. Next up we have Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant, Pink Grapefruit Glucosamine. I'll write it down below. So this is a, I'm assuming, facial exfoliant. It is free from skin aging toxics and carcinogens and a whole bunch of other things. As you can see. And it's just this tube right here. And this is in a 2.53 fluid ounce bottle. And it just says that it's a gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to delaminate dry and dead skin cells and stimulate cell regeneration. Facial skin is left looking radiant, calm, and smooth, perfectly prepared for moisturizing. I'm not too into exfoliants because I feel like they irritate the skin, but maybe we'll try that out and see. This Skin & Co. Blue in Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. This is from their Italian collection, which is limited edition. So again, this is a shower gel. It smells really earthy. It smells like some herb, not that kind of herb, but it does smell like you smell the sage really, really in there. Yeah. And the basil definitely smells like some cooking oil type stuff. It kind of reminds me of Dr. Bronner's though. But yeah, I'm not opposed to these kind of earthy scents because I use lotions and products that have really strong scents anyway. It doesn't smell bad, but it definitely does smell like that good olive oil that you dip your bread in at restaurants. It smells like that. You may not want your body to smell like that, but it smells good. This next one I'm really excited about. There is a beauty blender. This is the original beauty blender in the hot pink color. I am so excited for this because I've been wanting another beauty blender for a long time. I have the black one now, which I use religiously every single time I do my makeup, and just having another one, you know, in my makeup arsenal is just a godsend. And these actually are pretty expensive too, so I'm glad that I got it in this box with all this stuff, still for $40 because I had a code, which I will give you one too. Next up, I'm also excited about these. We have the Glam Glow Bubble Sheets. These are oxygenating deep cleansing masks. So I'm excited for these. I like Glam Glow products. I've used Glam Glow masks before and I love the way it feels on the skin. And so I'm really, really excited for these. And I've never tried a bubble mask before, so that should be fun. And I like that they gave two. And these are for men and women. So if you get this in your box, you give one to babe or whoever. Or you can use them both for yourself. And we all know Glam Glow ain't cheap, so shout out to FabFitFun. Next up, we have this Metalist or Metallist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. So this is actually 2-in-1. So it's a 2-in-1 lipstick, as I said. So one side is looks like a metallic lipstick and the other side is like a glittery gloss. This is in number 2 Penny. So it's kind of this brownish praline-y color. It reminds me of my e.l.f. praline lipstick. Yeah. So it's one side is a metallic matte shade and the other side is a matching glitter gloss. Next, we have a very interesting item. Pretty random, but I guess it's part of the whole appeal of the box. It is an umbrella. So it's just, mine is a red floral umbrella. And it's a medium-sized umbrella, I'd say. Probably fit in a tote bag, but not in like a small purse. And this is Kathleen Malandrino. So, very cute. I'm not really a floral girl, but an umbrella is an umbrella, so I ain't even mad at it. It has a cover, which is good if you're like gonna stick it back in your bag or whatever, and it does have a handle. So, very nice. Next, another random wellness related thing, but I'm also very excited about this because I love tea. There is a ceramic teapot. So this is by a company called Alfred. It even tells you, it gives you an idea of how long to brew different teas. So white tea, green tea, oolong, black, and herbal. And apparently it only takes a couple minutes. But this is really something really cute if you're like having guests over. Like if you're having guests over for tea or something, this is something really cute that you could share with them. How cute is this? It's like a blue, light blue, sky blue color, and it has just these pink and reddish flowers all on the bottom. I wonder, are these cherry blossoms? That would be really cute if they were, but I'm not sure. But I just think this is something really cute to have in your house. The top is actually a little crooked, but okay. No, I just popped it back in place. But how cute is that? You're having guests over to actually have your tea steaming in here. Very cute. And then the last product in here, probably my favorite thing right now, and I'm excited to use these. This is the Crown 4 Pros by Pros makeup brush set. It's a 6-piece brush set. So I've never tried Crown Pro brushes, but who can't use some more makeup brushes? I mean, come on. And it comes in a travel case. This is like a faux leather travel case. And look at the brushes. So again, it's a 6-piece brush set. Looks like there is a foundation brush, powder brush. There's an angled brush, a couple of eyeshadow brushes, a blending brush. This is like an eyebrow brush. This is awesome. I will definitely be making very good use of these brushes. Very good use. And the last product is actually one of the add-ons that I chose. I really needed a new flat iron. And they had this New Me flat iron. This is their silhouette straightener. It has ceramic plates and it's in pink. This is a 1 1/4 inch plate and it's, again, solid ceramic. You can control the temperature from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It heats up within 6 to 10 seconds, and again, it was discounted. So I decided to just go ahead and buy one, and it came with my box. So your add-ons will ship at the same time as your box. So this is what the straightener looks like. Again, it's a hot pink, really cute. It does have those rounded edges, so it's probably good for curling the hair as well. It has the dials on the inside as well as an on-off switch, and it has grips, so it's not slippery, but it just feels really smooth, and it looks pretty well. I've heard good things about New Me, so I'm excited to try this out. Okay guys, so that is it. That is everything that was in my FabFitFun box. So as you can see, I got quite a lot of stuff. And for $49.99, I think I'm pretty okay. I mean, the Beauty Blender and the brush set itself is already, like, I feel past the amount that I spent on the box. Again, I did have a coupon code. Gonna help you guys out with one too. So I did get a discount on my box, and the flat iron was an add-on. It didn't come with the box per se, included in the $49.99, but it was an add-on that was available to me for a discounted rate through my subscription. Again, make sure you check the description box for all the links that you need and all the information about this box. As always, I hope this video was informative. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Please. It really helps me out if you do. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, join the party. We need you over here. And also, you can always check out my Instagram for behind the scenes about how I'm using the products, updates, outfit of the days, and all that good stuff. As usual, whether you are milk cocoa, dark cocoa, vanilla cocoa, whatever kind of cocoa you want to be, you are and always will be a goddess. I will see you guys next time. Bye.